Here's a pair of the AirPods Pro 3. I'm going to show you how to parent connect these directly to a Chromebook via Bluetooth. First thing is, let's go ahead and put these in the pairing mode. The buds are in the case. Let's open these up. We'll know that this is pairing mode if we get a white blinking light here, okay? So I got a solid green light here. So let me manually put this into pairing mode, okay? So let me just close it again. Let me make sure that green light is on there again. So now I'm going to open it up. Now I'm going to double tap. There's an invisible button right here, okay? Just double tap. 1, 2. Now it's blinking white. Now we're in pairing mode. Now let's shoot over to our Chromebook. And then from here, we're going to go to settings, okay? So you can go down here and then just go to your settings. From your settings, we're going to go to Bluetooth right there. Select on that. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and then we're going to tap up here where it says pair new device. Let's select on that. And now you see this line that's going across there. It's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, and it should show up here. Okay, these are still in the pairing mode. It's still blinking white here. It didn't show up yet. If I took too long, then I have to rescan everything, but it did find, and it just says AirPods Pro. It doesn't say the AirPods Pro 3. So right there, AirPods Pro, and then voila. It just said that we are connected, and there you go. We are connected, ready to go. You can see right here, it says currently connected, AirPods Pro. Now, if you had issues where you couldn't put it in a pairing mode or anything, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below in the description area for that link.